Five things to check before buying an iPhone. First thing is to identify whether it is original, fake, or refurbished. It can be new and still in the box, but yet refurbished. Refurbished iPhone are pre-owned devices that have been restored to a new devices. Come closer, let's do it together. In settings, tap General, then tap About, then model number. If your model number starts with M or P, it is original. If it starts with N, it is refurbished. If it starts with 5G, I'm sorry, it is fake. To check whether the original screen has been changed, scroll down Control Center, then tap Brighten Control and check whether the True Tone is on or is even available. When original screen is changed or iPhone original screen is changed, you won't be able to detect or see True Tone. So you can only see the two, the dark mode and night mode. That's the only thing that you see when they change the screen. Check battery health. Settings, scroll down, tap battery, then tap battery health and charging. Then you can now see your battery percentage or your battery health from 100 to 70. From 70 below is service. Check whether it is lock or factory lock before you buy it. In settings, tap General, then tap About, then scroll down to Network Provider Lock. If it is lock, it will be written lock. If it is unlock, it will be written no SIM restriction. Check whether your storage, what storage you are buying is actually the same. You can say you want 128, 256, and they'll end up giving you different 10 altogether. So you check that one first. In settings, tap General, then About, then scroll down to capacity. This is 1 terabyte. So from 1 terabyte, 512, 256, 128, and 64. You make sure you verify what exactly you are buying for. Thank you.